Today I just wanted to bring out a short video and talk about this area right here where the cows have been all winter long pretty much. You see right here is where we have been feeding them hay, and right there as well. And with their hooves on the soft mushy ground, they've obviously destroyed the grass, and I was fine with that, and I purposely limited this to a small area here because I wanted to use this as a garden. So you can see there were a bunch of wood chips on the ground here before, but what you can see here is that there's a lot of organic matter here, a lot of manure from the cows, but also wood chips and hay and lots of things. And now the chickens are even here, and they are eating out the rest of the weeds. We had a lot of rain yesterday and all last night, but this will dry up very soon. But you see over here, I hope that the chickens will till this area here as well, and I will probably cover this a bunch more with some wood chips, and then I will have a no-till garden here. No-till gardens are known under a bunch of different names. You have wood chip gardening, back to Eden gardening, no-dig gardening, no-till gardening, all of that stuff. And the idea is that you don't disturb the ground by tilling it. Obviously here the ground was disturbed now, and some disturbance is part of nature. You have obviously all the different animals that disturb the ground, like wild boar or herbivores with their hooves, or chickens with their feet. You also have moles and rats and all that who make holes into the ground. But in our area where we want to control this, where we want to be the ones in charge of controlling both the disturbance and the manure and all of that, this is a really nice way for me to actually get this garden started by just letting something that would happen naturally anyway, like the cows are tearing this up, letting the cows do the job, and then the chickens, they really eat all the pests out of here, and adding some of their manure to it, and I will be able to plant straight into this. You see also the wood chip pile up there. Some people were asking if the chickens would spread that out, and you see how spread out it is already. Let me zoom in there for you guys. The chickens are doing a tremendous job at spreading that all out. So you guys know that ideally I would have liked to capture all of the cow manure and urine into a deep bedding, but I had to do it this way. And this is going to be a really nice big garden area for me. So just a short video about that. I'm going to keep you updated throughout the season of how this is going to go here, of how this is going to grow. I'm planning on planting some corn, but then also planting some cucumbers or something like that on the ground that cover the ground up. So we'll see about that. Excited about this. Just a short video today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye guys.